In this video, I'm going to show you my best tips on how to cross-stitch on dark fabric. Hi, my name is Marie and this is the Caterpillar Cross-Stitch channel. If you're new here, welcome. This channel is all about cross-stitching and tutorials, so remember to hit like and subscribe so that you never miss a tutorial from us again. Remember to also follow us on Facebook and Instagram for even more stitchy inspiration. This video is all about cross-stitching on dark fabric. So whether you've purchased our Christmas stitch along or whether you just have a project with dark fabric, you're in the right place. At the end of this video, you will know all the best tips on how to make cross-stitching on dark fabric less tricky and more enjoyable. Let's get stitching. Tip number 1, stretch your fabric in the hoop. This may sound silly, but especially with dark fabric, stretching your fabric really taut will help you because the holes in the fabric become more visible. When using a round or square hoop, the best way to do this that I found is to loosen the screw on the outer hoop as much as possible, press it over the inner hoop and fabric and tighten it a bit, just enough to prevent it from slipping again. Then go round the hoop and start stretching the fabric one bit at a time. When you finish the whole round of the hoop, tighten the hoop a bit more and repeat this until you're happy with the tension of your fabric. The reason why it's good to do the stretching in stages is that if you tighten the hoop completely straight away, it will be too difficult to pull the fabric tight in between the inner and outer hoop, and you're risking damaging the fabric in the process. The best way I found to tighten the fabric is to pull it while it's perpendicular to the hoops, not towards the side of the hoop. This limits the friction against the fabric and prevents any damage. Tip number 2, place something white or bright underneath the fabric. This will help you see the holes much better and help you prevent any mistakes, especially on even weave fabric I've got here. You can stitch above white table if you find that comfortable, or you can place a white fabric or towel underneath your stitching, for example on your lap. My favorite would, however, be to use a light source underneath the stitching, whether it's a lamp or, as shown here, a light tracing app on my iPad. It shines through the fabric and helps you see exactly where the holes of the fabric are. Tip number 3, stitch during daylight hours or with bright daylight lamp. If possible, stitch in a brightly lit room, for example by a window, or have a very bright daylight lamp pointed on your stitching. I have combined the two here for even better visibility. You might need to experiment with the best angle to see the stitching and to point the light on it to make it as comfortable for your eyes as possible. For comparison, this is how it looks like when both the overhead lamp and the light tracing app are switched off. The visibility is much harder. Tip number 4, take it slow and prevent fatigue. As always with any stitching, it needs to be fun most of all. So make sure you stop stitching when it's no longer comfortable for your eyes, take frequent breaks and experiment with best way to stitch on dark fabric for you. Have another project in your rotation that is easy on the eyes, for example an easy to see 14 count light colored Ada, so that you can always switch between them when your eyes are feeling tired. I hope these tips helped you make cross-stitching on dark fabric more enjoyable. I would love to know whether you have any other tips that I haven't mentioned in the video. Let me know in the comments below. If you love stitching Christmas projects and would love to join one of our legendary stitch-alongs, our latest stitch-along, Stitch into Christmas, is now available to order on our website www.caterpillarcrossstitch.com as a PDF or a full kit. Please join me and thousands of other stitchers who are going to be stitching this, and let's have some Christmas stitch-along fun together. If you haven't yet signed up to our newsletter, aka VIP Stitch Club, please head over to our description below and sign up with your email address. In return, you will get a PDF with 8 free patterns, but also a 10% discount on your first order on our website, which is a fantastic deal. And remember that you can also join over 15,000 stitchers on our Facebook group, where you can share your stitch along progress or any other questions or inspiration with people who love stitching just as much as you do. And that is it from us at Caterpillar Cross Stitch this week. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next week.